बीजेपी सरकार हाय 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 बीजेपी सरकार हाय हाय।
As the prices of petrol and diesel continue to soar, the Congress party held a symbolic protest outside petrol pumps across the country.
मोदी सरकार हाय 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 हाय।
The party also demanded the union government to roll back the hike in excise duty on petrol and diesel. In the latest implementation by the oil companies, the rates were revised by 28 to 29 paise across the country. The demonstrations have been held by local state units of the Congress across the country, including Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala and Rajasthan. In Karnataka, the State Congress Committee launched a 100 Not Out campaign to protest against a fuel price hike.
मोदी सरकार के मोदी सरकार के।
The Congress workers blamed the BJP government for increasing the fuel price consistently.
Congress party is protesting against the petrol and diesel hike throughout the country. Today, in all the districts of the country, Congress party has launched an agitation against this diesel and petrol hike and also LPG hike. Tomorrow, this protest will be done at the taluka level. The day after tomorrow, it will be done at Hubli level, and the day after that, it will be done at the Gram Panchayat level as well. The BJP government, since it has come to power in the center since last 7 years, consistently raised the diesel and petrol prices in spite of decline in the oil prices in the international market.
Meanwhile, Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal in Delhi demanded the centre to roll back the excise duty on petrol-diesel hike.
Modi government should stop the looting of the common people of the country. You see, within last 5 months, they have increased the petrol diesel price 44 times. Therefore, you have to understand, now in around 250 cities, petrol price is more than 100 rupees. Now, on one side, people are suffering due to COVID. If they want to go for a vaccination also, they have to depend upon these motor vehicles like scooter and auto rickshaw. How can they go with this? Therefore, this government is looting the common people. You can understand, this government has increased the excise duty. How many times?
In Rajasthan, Congress leader Sachin Pilot and other party workers were shouting slogans against the central government over the fuel price hike. Sachin Pilot questioned the union government for increasing the fuel prices during the COVID-19 crisis.
तब भी हम लोगों ने कभी दाम बढ़ने नहीं दिए। आज 100 रुपए के पार हो गया पेट्रोल डीजल, लगभग 1000 रुपए का गैस का सिलेंडर है। पूरे देश में आज कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता हर पेट्रोल पंप पर जाकर इस सरकार की नींद खोलने का काम कर रहे हैं। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है, जैसे तमाम विपक्ष के लोगों ने, कांग्रेस के नेताओं कार्यकर्ताओं ने दबाव बनाया वैक्सीन को लेकर, जो प्रधानमंत्री जी को अपना रोल बैक करना पड़ा और अंत में घोषणा करनी पड़ी कि फ्री वैक्सीन लगाई जाएगी, उसी तरह मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि दबाव बनेगा और केंद्र सरकार को रोल बैक करना पड़ेगा। पेट्रोल डीजल के दाम कम करने पड़ेंगे। त्राई हो रही है, गरीब तबका, मध्यम वर्ग का तबका आज सरकार की तरफ देख रहा है कि संकट की घड़ी में क्यों दाम बढ़ाए जा रहे हैं।
Expressing concern over the immense increase in fuel price, Congress leader Digvijay Singh criticized the central government for making petrol unaffordable for people. Fuel prices can be cut by at least 25 rupees by cutting excise duty. Where are the people who once criticized the UPA government for the hike in fuel prices? With rising fuel prices, consumer goods are also getting costlier. State-run oil marketing firms have cumulatively increased the retail price of petrol by 25.72 rupees per litre and diesel by 23.93 rupees per litre over the weeks during the crisis. Meanwhile, petrol prices have crossed 100 rupees per litre mark in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan and Ladakh.